Did you know that rice, a staple in many of our kitchens, has been used for centuries in skincare due to its exfoliating and brightening properties? Originating from Asia, this humble grain has been an integral part of their beauty regimen, offering a natural solution to skin concerns. It's time we introduced you to the idea of a rice facial mask, a simple yet powerful tool in your skincare arsenal. Who would have thought that the secret to glowing skin could be hiding in your pantry? This rice facial mask is not just about rice, it's a blend of power-packed ingredients, each with its unique benefits. Let's start with the star of the show, rice flour. It's a gentle exfoliant that works to brighten your skin, removing dead cells and improving texture and tone. Next we have honey, a natural hydrator that also possesses antibacterial properties to keep your skin clean and clear. Our third ingredient, yogurt, is a powerhouse in its own right. Containing lactic acid, it offers gentle exfoliation, brightens your complexion, and provides hydration to keep your skin supple. And for those with sensitive skin, there's an optional ingredient, aloe vera gel. It soothes and hydrates, making it a great addition to this facial mask. All these ingredients combine to form a skin-loving mask that is suitable for all skin types. This combination is gentle yet effective, promising to exfoliate, brighten, and soothe your skin in a single application. So why not give this rice facial mask a go? It's simple, cost-effective, and beneficial. There's a certain satisfaction in whipping up your own skincare concoction, and this one's a treat for all skin types. Just remember, if you have specific concerns or allergies, it's a good idea to do a patch test first. So get mixing and let your skin soak up the goodness of this homemade mask. Your skin will thank you for this nourishing treat. Remember, beauty is skin deep, and this rice facial mask might just be the key to unlocking your skin's true potential. Thanks for watching today's video. Join our community for more interesting natural hacks.